This video is to give you a representation of how the country has been run between these two parties, JLP and PMP, and leave you to make your decisions based on that. But basically, it has been 50-50, basically. This first chart will show you in a percentage format, which party has been ruling the country. And as you can see, it's basically 50-50, right? The other chart that I'm going to show you, it's going to give you a time frame based representation of which party has been ruling the country. In terms of one has been ruling from 2000 to, let's say, 2004, and then from 2004 to the other, but here it is. And again, I'm going to leave this information. I want you to come to your own conclusion with this, but I thought about this. I asked AI to generate it for me and do a little research, and it is accurate. It's fascinating to me because I genuinely believe at this point Jamaica has just been playing a toss-up. What are your thoughts?